Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for pregnant women. In this tutorial, we will learn about the importance of non-vegetarian foods and various non-vegetarian recipes for pregnant women. Let us first learn the importance of various non-vegetarian foods. Non-vegetarian foods like chicken, meat, fish, prawns, organ meat are rich in protein, zinc, choline, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are essential for the growth and development of the fetus. They aid in brain development of the baby and help in maintaining the health of the mother. To get these nutrients, non-vegetarian foods should be consumed during pregnancy. Now we will look at a few non-vegetarian recipes. Let us begin with our first recipe, which is Kerala style egg curry. For this recipe we will require 2 whole boiled eggs, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, half-inch piece of ginger, half sprig of curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of each garam masala powder, pepper powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, and salt to taste. First, we will see how to prepare boiled eggs. Fill a bowl with cool water up to 1 inch. Place eggs in it and cover with a lid. Allow the water to boil over high heat. Then, cook for 6 to 7 minutes over medium heat for perfect hard-boiled eggs. Now, remove the hard shell of the eggs and keep it aside. Next, heat oil in a kadai. Add ginger, garlic, onions and curry leaves. Turn the flame to medium and saute until onions turn golden brown. After this, add all the dry masalas and saute till you get the aroma of condiments. Then, add chopped tomato and salt. Now, add 1 cup of water and bring mixture to boil. Simmer for a few minutes until tomatoes begin to boil. After this, add the boiled eggs into it. Cover the kadai and simmer the eggs for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the flame and add chopped coriander leaves. Stir the gravy gently so that the eggs do not crumble. Serve it in a serving bowl. Moving forward, let us learn about the second recipe, chicken chettinad. For this, we will require 100 grams of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 medium tomato, 1 to 2 sprigs curry leaves, and 1 bay leaf. For marination, we will need 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and salt to taste. For gravy, we will need half tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, half-inch cinnamon stick, and 2 tablespoons shredded coconut. To begin with, marinate the chicken by mixing chicken, turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste and salt in a bowl. Keep it at room temperature for 30 to 45 minutes. On a low flame, dry roast coriander seeds. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the remaining spices. Roast until you get the fine aroma of spices and keep it aside. Then, roast the coconut for a few minutes. Allow the roasted spices and coconut to cool. Using a stone grinder or mixer grinder, blend them into a fine paste by adding 1 tablespoon water. Keep this paste aside. Add tomatoes to the blender to form a puree. Now, in a kadai, heat oil. Add onions and saute till it turns golden color. Add chicken and saute again for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Add tomato puree, turmeric, salt and chili powder. Mix well and cook till the oil separates. After this, add the ground paste and curry leaves. Saute this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour 1/4 cup water and cook with the lid closed till chicken turns tender and soft. Allow it to simmer until the gravy turns thick. Garnish with curry leaves and serve. Please remember, this recipe can be prepared by using any one of the following: mutton, organ meat, prawns and fish. Now, let us look at the third recipe, chicken liver sukka. The ingredients required for this recipe are 100 grams chicken liver, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 6 cloves of garlic, 1/4 inch of ginger, 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. To begin with, in a blender, add onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, and coriander leaves. Grind this mixture into a fine paste. Apply this paste over the chicken liver and keep this at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, heat oil in a kadhai and add the liver with marination paste to it. Mix it well. Add 1/4 cup water and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. After this, increase the flame and allow it to cook well. Once well cooked, turn off the flame. Add lemon juice on cooling and serve garnished with washed and chopped coriander leaves. You can also use mutton liver for this recipe. The next recipe is fish in spinach curry. For this we need 2 small pieces of mackerel fish, 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon oil, and salt to taste. To start with, wash, clean, and cut the mackerel into 2 parts and keep aside. In a kadhai, heat oil and add cumin seeds. Once it splutters, add raw spinach leaves and allow to cook for a minute. Now allow it to cool. Next, add cooked spinach, tomato, and sesame seed in a grinder and make a puree. Heat oil in a kadhai and add chopped onions. Once the onions turn pink, add chopped garlic and saute until it turns brown. Add all dry spices and saute until you get the aroma of spices. Now add the spinach puree and cook for a few minutes. Next, add fish pieces and cook well. Now add 1/4 cup water and salt. Allow to cook with the lid closed for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. Once done, serve hot. Please remember, any locally available fish can be used for this recipe. Lastly, we will learn how to prepare meatball curry. For this recipe, we need 100 grams minced meat, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, half tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 cup fresh coriander leaves, and salt to taste. For gravy, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, half tablespoon ginger paste, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of each chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder, 1 large chopped tomato, and salt to taste. To begin with, wash and clean the minced meat well using a muslin cloth. Now mix minced meat and chopped onions in a bowl. Add ginger garlic paste, garam masala, coriander leaves, and salt. Divide this mixture in 6 equal parts and shape into balls. Heat oil in a kadhai and add the remaining chopped onions. Saute until it is light brown in color. Add ginger garlic paste and saute again for few minutes. Add all powdered spices, coriander seeds powder, cumin seeds powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and turmeric. Now fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add tomatoes and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half cup water and salt to the masala. At this stage, slowly add the meatballs and allow to simmer. Stir gently after 5 minutes and cook until the meatballs are done. Serve hot in a serving bowl. Also, you can use minced chicken to prepare this recipe. It is important to remember that all these recipes are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin B12, folic acid and iron, zinc, magnesium, sulfur, and choline. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for joining.